Alright, we're gonna hit this. I'm gonna hit that zoom boost. Hit it on 300. Yeah. Henny bad, but your fucking bitch love it. Henny ball like he ain't got no fucking budget. If you wanna ask, she fucking love it. I straight love it, I'm straight fucking thuggin'. I pull it out, pull it to your brain. Cock the pistol main, then I spray out your cane. Then I spray out your motherfucking brain. Bring your pockets, give me all the cane and the change. I'm a G, I don't fucking be playing. I run this shit like the track stop playing. Ooh, if the track stop playing, I'ma keep running like a track all bang. Ooh, I run it all day. Run it for the change, I'm running for the game. And you know I'm taking the game. Give me medals, Michael Phelps, I'm the main. But you might catch me smoking on the good, smoking in the hood. Oh yeah, you knew I would. I run the track, I'm the fucking Mac, can't hold me back. I'm on wipe me down, bitch, come on try me. I'm the fucking G, you don't wanna try me. Me and 300 in the hood like some OGs. I had to pause, I made it good for y'all, make it good for the bros. I pop off like a motherfucking clip. Wipe me down, I'm so sick with it. Make these motherfuckers just wanna hear my lyrics. I'm sick with it, I'm a pump. Call me 12 gauge, leave your ass in the slump. I'll leave you at the dump. Body straight gone, hit your ass with the pump. AK to your lump. Motherfucking 9mm straight chump. I'll take you out, make you wanna talk about me. That's me, baby. I'm so greasy that you gon' wanna see me in the street. I'll leave these motherfuckers in the industry, leaving like they feeling me, but they ain't hearing me. They feel me, but they can't fucking hear me. I'm an OG that don't wanna see my semi. Wipe me down. This ain't even wipe me down, but I make your bitch wipe me down. You like a clown, I'm an OG. Told you I'm stunting till I'm under 6 feet. That's so motherfucking Hit me back on the track. These motherfuckers like they laying in some slacks. Better go to work, need some slacks. Like you a businessman, I ain't need no facts. I don't need no facts. I shit a chick. What? I gotta stop, man. I gotta stop.
300 Spartans, what is your profession?